So today we're going to try out these halogen bulbs. All right, so what we're going to try the new bulbs on is for this Ford Escape, and we'll install it and compare before and after. All right, you can see it's actually quite weak. All right, so yeah, I mean, it's really weak. And if you look at my garage, yeah, that's really weak. Maybe you can't tell in the film, but it should definitely light up a lot more than it's doing right now. So let's swap them out. This is the front headlight right there, this guy, and it looks pretty easy. Looks like you just take out this cover right here and swap out the bulbs. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take out this cover right here. It's just a rubber cover, and from there it'll expose the light bulb inside there. Okay, so these come with gloves if you don't want to get your skin oil on it. So I'm not going to worry about that because I'm already wearing gloves. It comes with 2 high beams and 2 low beams. All right, it's really hard to see in here, but there's a little tab right here. There's a yellow tab right there. We're going to lift that up and pull out the headlight. Okay, so this is the halogen one and this is LED. So just don't touch the bulb and you'll be fine. Hold it around. But this is the one that went bad, and we're going to swap it with this one right here. All right, whoops, I had the wrong one. So this is the high beam one, and this is the regular beam one, and it has a different plug type. So you can't get it wrong. You can't get them mixed up because the plug is different. So we're going to plug it in just like that, and then take out the cover and insert it back in the hole. You couldn't see, but I pushed it in and then I turned it clockwise just a little bit to get it to click in. But there, it's seated now. So let's compare. All right, you can see that's significantly brighter now, and compared to the old one. The person put on some LEDs that just didn't work well, so we're swapping it with the halogens, and you can see it is significantly brighter. Looks good now. So let's swap them both out, and we're good to go. Okay, so what I did was I unscrewed it a little bit and then pulled it out. Just a little semi-turn. I think even a quarter turn is too much. Get that tab out. Okay, here's the old bad LED. Okay, same thing. Just plug it in, and we're gonna put it in. Get it in there, and then just give it just a little mini turn. All right, don't forget, we're gonna put on that rubber piece back. Okay, if you do want to swap out the high beams, it's this one right here, and you do the exact same thing as this one, just swap out the different bulb. We don't need the high beams replaced, but just the regular, so we're good for now. All right, both headlights are in. It looks good, much brighter.